If you want to know the 5 best apps for savings, investing and staying liquid that are used on a daily basis here in Nigeria, you have to watch this video to the end. Now, the traditional banking system has left many Nigerians frustrated with low returns and limited financial flexibility, while banks offer minimum interest rates that barely keep up with inflation. So young professionals like you and I need platforms that can genuinely grow our wealth while providing access to funds when opportunities arise. So now the Nigerian Fintech revolution has created a new category of financial apps. So now this platform combines attractive returns with practical features that helps users manage both long-term savings and immediate financial needs. So this video here is going to explore the 5 investment and savings apps that I use. So not only exploring, I'm going to show you in my next video how I use these 5 apps to generate revenue for myself on a daily basis. So you have to watch this video to the end. If you are new, kindly like and ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on videos when I drop them. Let's get started. Now, the first one is Credit Direct. This Credit Direct caught my attention firstly because it combines solid returns with practical spending solutions. The yield features offer up to 21% per annum, which beats most traditional banks and many other investment apps in Nigeria. This return rate is genuinely impressive for a digital platform. What is really unique about Credit Direct is the buy now pay later feature that allows you to pay 30% upfront for purchases and spread the remaining 70% over 6 months. This feature bridges the gap between saving money and actually using it when you need to make important purchases. Okay, now the app handles both sides of the money equation, growing your savings through the yield feature while giving you flexible spending power through the buy now pay later feature. This combination is rare among the Nigerian fintech apps. I want you to know that. Okay, now let's dive into PiggyVest. The PiggyVest has been around for a very long time and focuses heavily on helping you save consistently. The app locks money for you, which is perfect if you struggle with spending discipline. Like many of us, as at then when I started using these apps, I first of all had issues saving money. So when I dived into PiggyVest, I realized that it helps me even lock my funds to make my spending less and helps me profit more. So you can even set saving goals and the apps will help you reach them through the features like the save lock, which prevents you from touching your money until a specific date. All right, so the interest rates are decent in this app, and the app has a strong community feel, which with group saving challenges, you can save your money in groups, all right, here in the app. So however, PiggyVest does not offer credit facilities, so you will need another app if you want flexible access to funds for purchase. So you will need another app to if you need your money for purchases and withdrawal, you need a third-party app. Okay, now Bamboo app. The Bamboo focuses on stock market investment and gives you access to international markets, including the US stocks. This app is great if you want to invest in companies like the Apple, the Google, or Tesla directly from Nigeria. The platform requires higher minimum amount compared to saving-focused apps, and you need to be comfortable with market risk to use this app. And Bamboo works well for long-term investors who want market exposure, but it doesn't offer credit facility or emergency fund access, just like the PiggyVest that I just told you earlier on. You have to use a third party to be able to access your funds or transfer them during emergency. All right. Now, looking at the Cowrywise. The Cowrywise specializes in disciplined long-term saving with various investment options, including the mutual funds. The app is particularly good for group savings, where families or friends can save together towards a common goal. The platform offers fixed income products that provide predictable returns, making it suitable for conservative investors. However, accessing your money quickly can be challenging, which limits its usefulness for emergency situations. Alright, let's look at the RiseVest. The RiseVest helps Nigerians grow their wealth by investing in dollar-denominated assets such as US stocks, real estate, and fixed income. The platform is designed for long-term wealth building and also acts as a hedge against naira volatility. Returns typically range from 8 to 15% per annum, and you can invest in pre-selected portfolios based on your financial goals with a clean user interface and options to set investment targets like travel, education, retirement. Okay, RiseVest is ideal for those who want to diversify outside the naira economy. However, it may not be the best option if you need instant liquidity. Withdrawals can take a few days, and there is no built-in lending or spending feature. Still, for dollar-based investment diversification, the RiseVest is one of the strongest options here in Nigeria today. Okay, so now the question is, which should you choose? Well, your choice depends on what you prioritize. If you want pure savings discipline and goal tracking, I think PiggyVest delivers consistently. For market exposure and international investment opportunities, I think Bamboo provides access to global stocks. However, if you want both wealth building and flexible spending options, Credit Direct offers the best combination. Okay, the 21% annum for the yield feature helps your money grow significantly, while the buy now pay later features ensures you can make necessary purchases without depleting your savings. So most successful users actually combine multiple apps, using one for high yield savings, another for investment, and a third for a daily transaction. The key is finding saving apps in Nigeria that matches your financial habits and goal. Alright, so kindly ensure you like and subscribe to this channel if you find this video very useful. Alright, and see you in the next video.